Welcome to Things Explained. Today's lesson is on grammar, understanding the difference between let's and let's. Hello and welcome to the lesson. Thank you for choosing Things Explained. I will be covering some proper examples on the difference between the two similar sounding words, let's and let's. We are going to lay out a well-exampled presentation to bring clarity around these two commonly mismatched words. In short time, you will move towards a more fundamental understanding of what makes up these two written words, and why they cannot be used in place of one another. Shall we begin? Smiley face. First example. He lets the dog out once a week. He lets the dog out once a week. In this example, lets is a present and ongoing tense of the word let, meaning to allow, to give permission to. The sentence in this example means, he allows the dog to go out once a week. There is no apostrophe here, because this is not a contraction or combination word. Lets is the recurring tense of the word let. He lets the dog out once a week. Next example. Let's take the dog to the park today. Let's take the dog to the park today. In this example, let's is a contraction of the words let and us, meaning, let us take the dog to the park today. This form of let's at the beginning of a sentence is synonymous with I suggest we, or we will, take the dog to the park today. Let us take the dog to the park today becomes let's take the dog to the park today. The next example is a tricky one. The teacher let us hand in our homework late today. The teacher let us hand in our homework late today. In this example, we did not contract let and us, because when let is in the past tense, using it as a contraction is not allowed, and it is grammatically incorrect to contract it here. For example, it would be incorrect to say, the teacher lets hand in our homework late today. The teacher let us hand in our homework late today cannot be contracted. I will give you another tricky example that can easily confuse a non-native English speaker. Just remember the rule. You can only conjunct the singular form of let into let's. Our mother lets us stay out each evening until sundown. Our mother lets us stay out each evening until sundown. In this example, lets us cannot be contracted because each evening is recurring, so the word let is in its plural or recurring form. You cannot conjunct the plural form of the word lets. It would be grammatically incorrect to say, our mother lets stay out each evening until sundown. This is not proper English. This sentence must remain as, our mother lets us stay out each evening until sundown. Hopefully, this lesson contained a useful perspective on how to avoid confusion when it comes to two very similar sounding and similar looking words. Things Explained is a channel that lets you learn quick solutions to common questions. Now, let's go on and close up this lesson. Thank you for watching Things Explained. We hope that these lessons are impactful, quick, and exactly what you were looking for. As always, have a great day. Please like and subscribe.